So now the types of projects. So types of project is also there here, because when you are going to start a new project, so which type of projects you are working, what type of drawings you are going to do, that everything also you have to know it here. What type of designing also you have to do, that also you have to know. Because when you will go any company, so directly they will assign a work, so they will give you have to prepare this one. So what type of preparation we have to do? You have to know it, because there will be a different types of drawings will be there, and that drawings also you have to remember the name, what type of drawing you have to do. Okay, so here there will be a number of drawings we will going to be work out in a project. So what type of drawings we are going to be work out in a project here? The first drawing is types of drawings. Types of drawings in BIM. How many types of drawings you are going to work out in a BIM? So that types of drawings you have to work out here. So types of drawings. The first type of drawing we will call as a tender drawing. Tender. So the first drawing we will call as a tender drawing. So the tender drawing also you have to prepare in BIM. So tender drawing. First drawing is tender drawing. Then the second drawing is design drawing. You have to prepare the design drawing also in BIM. Design drawing means you have to design the project. You have to do the calculation part. You have to select the component. So everything will be designed. But not, that is not an execution drawing. That is design drawing. So first one is tender drawing, because when you will take any project from the client, you have to prepare the tender drawing first. Because by preparation of the tender drawing, you have to go with the client meeting and you have to present your project there, and you have to tell about your project, whatever the outputs you are going to give to the client, that outputs everything, and as per your design everything, how you are going to present it in the project. So that everything you have to discuss with the client, and that client, if they satisfy your tender, then he will give this project to you. So like that, not only you, many company people will become for taking that projects. So all the company people, they will prepare their own design, own tender drawings, and they will come in a project for the presentation. So if the client is satisfying your company, so they will give project to you. So like that it will be there. So many of the projects, many of the company people, they will prepare the tender drawing first. The tender drawing is very much important while working in a projects. Okay, so first you have to view tender drawing. Then after completion of the tender drawing, if you got the projects, then you have to work out for the design drawing. That time you have to do fully design. Tender drawing is not fully designed, it's an overview design, that's all. Then you have to do the design work. If your tender has passed and you got the project, then you have to prepare the design drawing. Or else, if the tender is not passed to you and they have given some other company, then no need to prepare any design, because that project is totally cancelled from your end. Okay, so this way we have to work out. So then design drawing, we have to prepare the design. Next, after completion of the design drawing, then you have to prepare the shop drawing. This is very much important, shop drawing. Shop drawing. Okay, so here the tender drawing is not at all, it is a single line diagram, we can say it's SLD drawing. Tender drawing is nothing but it's a SLD drawing. Design drawing is totally calculation with overview design. Design drawing is nothing but calculation with overview design. Everything will be there. But tender drawing is only a single line diagram, that's all, overview. But come to the shop drawing, it's a fully detailing drawing. That is, we will call it a shop drawing. So in shop drawing, there will be having 10 points to overview. 10 points to overview in drawing or in model. 10 drawing, 10 points will be there. So we have to follow the 10 points, and that 10 points should be included in the drawing. Then only that drawing we will call as a shop drawing. Shop means not a shop, it's a shopping mall, not like that. Shop means everything should be combined with the detailing, that projects, that drawing, that floor we will call as a shop drawing, and that floor we will call as a floor drawing. So shop drawing. So after completion of the design, then you have to prepare the shop drawing. So first is tender drawing, then design drawing, then shop drawing. After completion of the shop drawing, then you have to go with coordination drawing. You have to prepare the coordination drawing. Okay, because the coordination drawing is very much important, because after completion of the shop drawing, you will get many conflicts in the drawing with other services. So then you have to prepare coordination drawings. That is separate. Shop drawing is separate. Design drawing is separate. Tender drawing is separate. Okay, so you have to prepare the coordination drawing. So the next level is coordination, means here MEP by architecture by structure. All services combinedly we will call as a coordination drawings. You have to check the civil drawing, you have to check the architecture drawing, you have to check mechanical, electrical, piping, all drawings you have to coordinate each other, and then you have to prepare the proper drawing that should be going to be executed at site. That drawing we will call as a coordination drawing. You have to coordinate each and every component. Okay, so that drawing we have to prepare. Next, after completion of the coordination drawing, then you have to go with the builder's work drawing. That is also one of the tasks you have to do in your project. Builder's work drawing. Builder's work drawing. Builder's work drawing is nothing but it's a opening drawings, we can say. Opening drawings. Opening drawing means builder's work drawings will be opening drawings. How we will tell? Because here what will happening in MEP people, one pipe is passing from this room to the other room. So in between, while passing from one room to another room, in between there is a big wall is there. So that wall we have to make the hole. That through that hole, this pipe is going to be passed from this room to that room. Without making hole, how it is going to be passed? It will be not. So that's the reason that opening, wherever is required hole, wherever the slab cutting, wherever the wall cutting, wherever the roof cutting is required, that opening drawings we have to prepare, and that opening drawings we will call as a builder's work drawing. We have to prepare. So most of the project what will happen, they will construct the wall at site. And when the MEP people they will design, that time the wall has already constructed, and when the contractor is going to be executing at site, so the pipe is not able to pass from one room to another room, so that time they will come again, they will drill the wall. After construction the wall has been completed, again they are drilling the wall, they are cutting the core cutting, something they are doing, and they are making a hole, and through that hole the pipe is passing. Like that, some company people they will work like that. In AutoCAD people, AutoCAD designing, when the project they are going to do, they will do like that only. Wherever required hole, they are making core cutting, they are making drilling, and something they are doing. If you do like that, what will happen? Your building strength is going to be loose. It is going to be lose your strength. Because once the project has been completed, once the wall has been completed, once the column has been completed, once the beam has been completed, I mean, it's a completed. No need to do any drilling on that, because when you will do the drilling or core cutting, the building is going to be vibrate. It will be lost some of the strain in the building. Stress is also going to be loose. So that time the building strength, when it is going to be loose, so it will be get less life of that building. So that's the reason, before constructing, before executing that wall, before executing that slab, you have to prepare the opening drawings. So when we will construct the wall, that time that area you have to put the open, and remaining area you have to design the wall, you have to construct it. So what will happen when the MEP people will become, through that hole they will easily pass the pipe. So before only we have to do this one. And when we are using before the construction, that drawing we will call as a builder's product drawing. Because the MEP services only we require this builder's product drawing, because some of the services will be passing from this floor to the above floor, again next floor. So how they will pass? If you cut the slab, then only they are able to pass the pipe. They will able to pass the cables, tray, everything will be passed. So that openings, how much is required? That opening, exactly that size, you have to keep it open while constructing the project. So if you know that opening sizes, everything, that area you are going to make it open. So MEP people will become, without drilling, without making core cutting, they are easily passing the drawing. So building is also getting more life. There is no vibration, nothing, no cutting, everything. The building is going to be complete the project very fast. Because MEP people, they will wait. Because the civil people has to be calm, they have to make the drill, they will cut the area, again they are going to pass the pipe. Without cutting, they are never going to pass the pipe. So they will wait. So the time is very crucial for them also. So one day they are waiting some many weeks also, because still cutting has been not done at site. So they are not able to run the pipe from one room to another room. So this is the way the project is going to be delayed. But here in BIM, it is saying that get delay in the project, because everything should be in plan in such a way that wherever you require the opening, first you prepare that opening drawings, and that as per that opening drawings, when the people's, who is the civil engineer contractor is going to be executing and constructing, you have to give this opening to them. They will keep that area open and remaining area they are going to be constructed. Like that, we have to prepare this drawing, builder's product drawing. Okay. So after completion of this builder's product drawing, then you have to go detailed drawings. Detailed drawing also very much important here, because each of the component or each of the room, you have to give the detailed drawing. Detail means everything should be comes in that drawings. Because some projects, if you go, some contractor or some engineers, they will ask, I need the kitchen details, how the kitchen is coming, how the kitchen ventilation is coming, how the kitchen platform is coming, where the kitchen hood is coming, where the chimney we have to place. That all things should be in detailing, because only the kitchen part only. They are not asking other area, other room. Particular room, each room, different detailing we have to do. So that detailed drawing also again we have to prepare. Because when you are going to submit the shop drawing will be having whole layout. Your project overall layout will be there. But when it comes to the detailed drawings, you have to give each and every corner, each and every room separate drawings with detailed information. Because what is going to be comes in that room exists along with all MEP services and interior designing, everything should be there in that room. That type of drawing, when you are going to prepare, that drawing we will call as a detailed drawing. So that is very much important, because in the projects, multiple rooms, multiple area, we have to give some detailing. We have to give some detailed information for the contractor, so they can easily execute and they can easily construct by seeing that detail. So most of the residential building, the kitchen area, the balcony area, bedroom area, they are going to show some detailed drawings. But if you go for the commercial buildings like hospitals or like software buildings or like hotels, so in that area also each and every rooms we have to give some detailed information, drawing separately. So with the help of that detailed information, they are going to be executing the project. So that drawing also you have to prepare separately, that is detailed drawing. After completion of the detailed drawing, then again you have to prepare the riser drawing. Riser drawing is nothing but it's a shaft drawing, shaft detailed drawing. Shaft detailed drawing means from one floor to the another floor, the MEP services are passing from this floor to the another floor. So how it is passing? It is passing through the slab. The slab is going to be cut. So in a project, the civil engineer people or architecture people, they will design some area where the MEP people has to be passed all the services from one floor to another floor, and that part we will call as a shaft. In India, most of the people, they are going to tell as a duct. Duct means nothing but open area. So in that open area, how the cables, electrical cables, how the electrical conduits, electrical wiring, and mechanical piping, everything, how it is passing through that vertical part, means from this floor to the top floor, from again top floor to the next floor. Because if your building has a multi-story building, some 6, 7, 10 or 15 floors building is there, from each and every services has to be passed inside of the building. You see, many of the commercial building, all MEP piping, everything will be outside. No, nothing will be outside, only the building will be look. But all the piping and ducting or electrical cable tray, cables, wiring, everything inside the building only. But it is not visible because that is covering with the wall, and inside the wall there will be a hole. From top to bottom you can able to see the opening. That opening we will call as a shaft. SHAFT, shaft. So that shaft drawing again we have to prepare separately with the front view, and that drawing we will call as a riser. So you have to prepare the riser drawing, from which floor to the which floor it is passing, from where it is changing the sizes, from which floor to which floor, where the piping or ducting or electrical cable tray, how it is coming, everything will be, you have to give proper view. That drawing we will call as a riser drawing. That is also very much important, because this riser drawing, the MEP people's, the mechanical, electrical and plumbing engineers has to be prepared, this one. Civil people, they will not prepare this riser drawing. MEP people is required this riser drawing. Builders work the civil people can do, MEP also can do, because there will be a chance between both of the services. Builders work can do, MEP engineers also as well as civil engineers also. But the riser drawing only mechanical and electrical people or plumbing people only will do. So this riser drawing is also very much important. We have to prepare the riser drawing. After completion of the riser drawing, then the last is as-built drawing. As-built. As-built means this is the final drawing we have to prepare at site. So as-built means, here I already told you, LOD 500. So in AutoCAD also we have to prepare as-built drawing. As-built is final drawing, because after shop drawing, coordination drawings, the site has been executing and constructing, but wherever the mistakes is happened, that mistakes rectification again we have to clarify, and we have to prepare the new drawing. That drawing we will call as a as-built drawing. So as-built drawing is also, it will be there. So there are 8 types of drawing you have to prepare when you will enter into your projects. So you have to know this all 8 drawings preparation. If you go on any company and the company manager has came to you, or team leader has came to you and is saying, you just prepare this builder's work drawing, they will tell like that, you prepare this builder's work drawing, this project. So if you don't know builder's work drawings, how you have to prepare, then whatever the knowledge you have, totally lost, because you don't know builder's work. If some company people, they will ask directly, you prepare the riser drawing right now. A mechanical people, they will come and sit and prepare the riser drawing, prepare the coordination drawing, prepare the shop drawing, like that they will tell. But if you don't know what is shop drawing, what is coordination drawing, how to prepare, then useless. You know Revit very well, you know creation of the model, everything. But how to prepare shop drawing, you don't know, nothing you will do. You will sit idle, that's all. How to prepare shop drawing, I don't know. So the company people will be question you. Without knowing shop drawing, how you are going to do the project? They will scold you. Because you know you are a gems in modeling. You can create anything in model Revit, but you don't know shop drawing. You don't know coordination drawing. You don't know design drawing. You don't know tender drawing. Then useless. Nothing will be there. So you have to know this all types of drawings, because when you enter into a project, you have to prepare shop drawing, you have to prepare coordination drawing, you have to prepare builder's work drawing, you have to prepare riser drawing. Any drawing, if the company people are asking to prepare, you have to ready to be prepared. You have to come, yes, give me, I will prepare this drawing. No issue, I know this drawing, how to prepare. You will be ready always. So without knowing, if you say, nothing will happen. So you have to know this drawing. So this drawing also I will explain you how to prepare this shop drawing, how to prepare this coordination drawing, how to prepare this builder's drawing. Everything I will explain to you. You have to know each and every point. Then only you can able to handle the project. Because the BIM project, individual person can handle the project. Because the teamwork is very much important. But individually you have to work without taking any confirmation with other people, without getting any doubt. You have to prepare the model. You have to design the work. Then only you are going to become a BIM engineer. Okay, so that you have to learn it here. So there are 8 types of drawing. You have to remember: tender drawing, design drawing, coordination drawing. Next, builder's work drawing, riser drawing, and as-built drawing. There are 8 types of drawing you have to prepare. Okay, so remember this all types of drawings you have to work out here. So whatever the projects I will give for the practice, that practice project you have to work out these 8 types of drawing, and these drawings will be helpful your career. In future also you have to do. So these 8 types of drawings, now you can get a question, sir, only you have telling this 8 type of drawing. So for my project only I have to do these 8 types of drawings? You only can do this all 8 types of drawings? No, your team will be there. Maybe you get coordination drawings, the other person maybe get shop drawing. The other person can get builder's work drawing. The other person can get riser drawing. Like that, they will distribute the work. If you alone you will do it, this all drawing means it will be take some years. If the project is bigger, some 50-40 floors, it will be take 1 years of that to need to be completed. Because single person is not possible. To make entire project design, working, drawing, presentation is not possible. You have to work with the team. Some multiple peoples will be coordinate each other. All services people will be there. Mechanical engineers, BIM engineers, electrical BIM engineers, everyone will be coordinate with each other and they will develop the project. Okay, so like that it will be work in a team. So this way we have to follow the concept and process how to develop these drawings. Okay, so when you will work in a team or when you have a project, so you have to remember these types of drawings, how we have to handle it. Because always the BIM engineers is going to be handle this type all projects, all type of information taking and working this project in this way. Okay, so that 10 points you have to follow while preparing the shop drawing, because there will be a 10 points we have to follow. If each one point if it is missing in that drawing, your shop drawing is incomplete, it's not complete. Okay, so be ready with that. The 10 points we have to follow the same thing as per my explanation. Okay, so now